Hey there, everybody. Sean here with Zero to Income. And what I want to do today is walk you through how to add a video file to your Clixlo website. So in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to add it to a funnel page. I'm going to use one of the built-in funnels templates that are available in Clixlo for this kind of walkthrough. So let's jump on over to Clixlo and I'll show you how to do this. All right, so what you want to do is go to your sites, and then once in sites, go to funnels. And then once in funnels, you'll want to go and click on the funnel in question, wherever it is that you want to add your video. So let's just pick this one. I'm going to go to this landing page. I'm going to do edit. Okay, so now once the editor opens up, what you'll want to do is, let me just take this completely out and take that completely out. So this is what the template looks like before it's ever been touched. We're going to go up here to this add button and we're going to click on add elements, and I want to add a new row, and I'm just going to go over here and I'm going to drop this new row right here, and then in that row I'm going to click on the add element again, and in this case we are going to add a video. You can either drag it over or just click on it to add it. I'll drag it over. Now at that point what you want to do is just click into it. Over here on the far right you have all the options for your video. If you wanted to, change the margin and padding, you could do that. But what we really want to do here, if you're wanting to upload your own video, is you want to go down here to this video type, and you want to use this drop down, and you want to click on hosted video. Now, what that means is it's going to be hosted on Clixlo's servers. So, and it's going to be, you're going to grab it from your media file. So you would literally just go over here and do a select video. Now, if you don't have anything here yet, that's just because you haven't uploaded any files. You would go up here and you would click on your upload file button. This would upload the video. Then you would click on it, and this would open it up and put it in here for you to look at. Now, in order to actually see it, you'd want to actually publish it, and or you could use the I button here, and yeah, we can just do that. And this is going to open it up, and there is my client's video there that's showing up. So that's how you would upload a video file to your Clixlo website. Now, what would really help us out a whole lot is if you'd hit that subscribe button down below, and that's it for now. Thanks for watching.